Hello everyone, it's Ashwini here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be learning how to draw basic grid and intricate grid. So let's get started. To draw these mandala grids, you'll require a pencil, an eraser, a protractor or procircle, compass, ruler and some papers. I have two 14x14 cm artboard and one 21x21 cm artboard. Usually, depending on number of repetitions you want, we'll be dividing the section. So based on that, I'm gonna show you three different majorly used grids: 6 section, 8 section and 12 section. The base process for all three will be same except for the calculation. Now let's begin with 6. Over here I have 300 GSM artboard. As I mentioned earlier, it's 14 cm cross 14 cm. What we are going to do now is we're going to find the core point by marking the center for every 4 corners and connecting those 2 corners by drawing 2 intersecting lines to find the core point. This is going to be a 6 section. We'll draw the vertical line from that end to this end and the horizontal line where it intersects. Now I'm going to use my procircle to mark the points. So I'm marking points for every 60 degree. The calculation is 360 divided by 60 and that will be 60, 120, 180, 240, 300 and 360. Now connect the dots using the center as your core point and make sure your scale is on the core point when you draw lines. And always remember to draw these lines very light because anyways we'll be erasing them at the end of our drawing once we're done. I'm going to use the compass and place it in the center and then keep drawing circles in a random spacing. It can be random as well as be specific, but for now I'm gonna go for random. And depending on the intricacy of your mandala, you can always adjust the space. If you draw closer lines, you can go for small patterns. If you want to have big patterns with fillings inside, then you can go for more space circles. That's it. It's that simple. Let's quickly move on to 8 sections. I'm gonna repeat the same step over here. Finding the center by drawing 2 intersecting lines, and this time it's going to be from end to end. I'm gonna mark my divider points using the same formula. This time it would be 360 divided by 8. That is 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, 315 and 360. Let's draw circles over here also. So again I'm going for random circles. That's it. It's that simple. The same applies for 12 sections too. So I'm gonna repeat the same steps again. We'll be finding the center point of the page and then drawing 2 intersecting lines from end to end. And then using protractor we're going to mark points. Now this time the calculation will be 360 divided by 12, that is 30 degree. So we'll be marking points at an increment of 30 degree. That's 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330 and 360. That's it for now guys. Hope you all find this easy and informative. If you want to learn more on how to draw mandalas, I've done a video on how to draw a basic mandala. The link is in the description below. Do check it out. And thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please do like and share it with your friends and family. And also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care and see you all until next time.